Hey, what's up, guys? This is gonna be my first video, and my first video unboxing of the 350 Yeezy Boost Triple White Cream V2. So, let's get straight to it. So, I ordered this about 8 days ago. It just arrived. I bought them on StockX. So, I just opened. The only thing I opened was the box. This box, I got them out of here. So, I've never touched real Yeezys or Yeezys in general in my life, so these are my first pair, probably my only pair for a while. So let's open these, see what these look like. So take it out. Alright, so this is the 350 Boost box, and I just opened it up. First thing got here was two StockX papers. Y'all don't worry about that though. So let's see what they look like. Yo, what? Yo, take a look at these. Looks so crazy in person. So this is the Boost or whatever, I think that's what it's called. And these are a size 9. As you can tell, right there. Here's the other pair. Well, tags. Oh, and this is the sorry for the coughing, guys, I'm sick. This is the verified authentic thing. So that proves that they're real. I bought them on StockX for I got them for a really good price, for $250. Cause these, I think, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I saw these for 700 or 650 on Farfetch, and I know that's not the original website or whatever, so I think the original price would be near there, and those numbers. Just look at these. What a beauty. I'm a big fan of Yeezys. I've never actually owned a pair. These are my first pair, and they just look so good in person. And I got these and it was they're not dead stock, but they're new. They're completely new. You can tell that they were never been worn a lot. They look brand new, actually. So yeah, that was my Yeezy unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed my first video. Got any questions, leave them down in the comments. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. I will be uploading skits, unboxings, more of that stuff later. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy.